Next problem is a string of length 12 is bent into a square PQRS and then into an isosceles triangle PQT by keeping the side PQ of the square as base. Then the area of square PQRS is to area of triangle PQT is here perimeter of square string of length 12, therefore perimeter of square is 12. Let A is equal to side length of square implies perimeter is equal to 4A is equal to 12 implies A is equal to 3. Now area of square is equal to A square, that is equal to 3 square is equal to 9. This is square PQRS. Next, triangle PQT is isosceles triangle with base as PQ. Base is 3, equal sides are x, perimeter is again 12. Here perimeter is x plus 3 is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 9 implies x is equal to 9 by 2. Area is equal to, formula is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to perimeter by 2 implies area of triangle PQT is equal to perimeter by 12 is perimeter is 12, that is 6 into 6 minus 9 by 2, 6 minus 9 by 2. Here ABC are side lengths of the triangle. Next 6 minus 3. Now 6 into 6 minus 9 by 2 whole square here. 2 6 are 12 minus 9, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. This is 6 minus 3 is 3. This is here 2 3s are gets cancelled. 3 square, that is 9 by root 2 is the area of triangle PQT. Now we need the ratio. Area of square PQRS is to area of triangle PQT, that is equal to 9 is to 9 by root 2. 9 gets cancelled, that is root 2 is to 1 is the ratio. Next problem is ABCD is a trapezium with AB comma CD are parallel. If AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 5, CD is equal to 3, DA is equal to 4, and A is equal to 90 degrees, area of ABCD is here ABCD is trapezium. Given that AB is parallel to CD, here AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 5, CD is equal to 3, DA is equal to 4. AB parallel to CD, CD is smaller if you observe, so CD is like this, and A is 90 degrees, so it should be like this. A, this is B, C, D. And AB parallel to CD, if A is 90, C is also 90. Sorry, this is C, this is D. A is 90, D is also 90. Here AB is 6, CD, DA is 4, BC is 5, CD is 3. So here draw a perpendicular which is parallel. Here BC, this is B, sorry, this is B, this is perpendicular CM, let us take. This is also again 4. Perpendicular CM is equal to 4. AB parallel to CD, angle A is equal to 90 degrees, implies angle D also is equal to 90 degrees. Here area is so this is 3 implies this is 3 and this is 3, totally is 6. Here AM is equal to MB is equal to CD is equal to 3, all are 3, parallel and perpendicular. Now area of ABCD is equal to area of AMCD plus area of MBC. This is a rectangle, its area is 4 into 3, plus this is a right angle triangle, its area is half into base into height. This is 12 plus 6, that is equal to 18. 18 is the area of trapezium ABCD. Next problem is a circle and a square have the same perimeter. Then same perimeter of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Perimeter of square is 4x or 4a. Here given that 2 pi r is equal to 4a. 2 gets cancelled. A is equal to pi r by 2. Now area of square by area of circle is, area of square is a square by area of circle is pi r square. Now we have a is pi r by 2. Substitute, that is pi square r square by 4 divided by pi r square. You see here r square gets cancelled, 1 pi gets cancelled, pi by 4. Here pi value is 3.14 approximately 3.14 by 4. So here numerator is small, therefore its value is less than 1. Therefore area of square is less than area of circle. Our next problem is, if 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 5 are opposite vertices of a square, then its area is given vertices. Let a is 2 comma 1, b is minus 2 comma 5. Here AB is a diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square. Let us find AB distance. AB is equal to 2 plus 2 square plus 1 minus 5 whole square, that is root of 4 square plus 4 square, that is 4 root 2. Area of square. So here diagonal is given. Let this be P. When diagonal is given, area of square is P square by 2, that is 4 root 2 whole square by 2. 4 root 2 whole square is 32 by 2, that is equal to 16. Area of square is 16 square units. Our next problem is, instead of walking along two adjacent sides of a rectangle field, a boy took a shortcut along the diagonal of the field and saved a distance equal to half of the longer side. Then the ratio of longer side to the shorter side is. Let A is equal to length of the rectangle, B is equal to breadth of the rectangle. Diagonal length is equal to root of A square plus B square. Let this be A, B, C. Here, so it took a shortcut along the diagonal, that is AC. So by doing that, it saved a distance equal to half of the longer side. Saved a distance means, so AB plus BC is equal to A plus B here, but he saved half of the longer side distance, so that is A by 2 plus C, A by 2 plus B. Here diagonal length AC is equal to root of A square plus B square is equal to A by 2 plus B. Squaring on both sides, this is A square plus B square is equal to A square by 4 plus B square plus 2 into A by 2 into B. 2 gets cancelled, here B square gets cancelled. A square minus A square by 4 is equal to AB. 3A square by 4 is equal to AB. Here A gets cancelled. A by B is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore required ratio is 4 by 3. Ratio of longer side to shorter side is equal to 4 by 3. The next problem is a rectangle PQRS is such that P is 2, 3, R is 8, 11, and the line QS is parallel to y-axis. Then the coordinates of Q, S are. So a rectangle, here line QS is parallel to y-axis. So this is x-axis, y-axis, QS. So let us take this as QS. This is diagonal. So this is another diagonal PR. So this is the rectangle. Now P plus R by 2 is equal to Q plus S by 2. That is, this is a center C. Let us take it is C. So C is 2 plus 8 by 2, 3 plus 11 by 2, 5, 7. That is C, coordinates of C. Now QS is parallel to y-axis, implies x coordinates remain same. Here PR distance is root of 2 minus 8 square plus 3 minus 11 square, that is 6 square plus 8 square, that is root 100. Therefore PR is equal to 10. Now QS, this is C is 5 comma 7. Now CQ is equal to QS is equal to 5, and QS is parallel to y-axis. So therefore Q coordinates are 5 comma 7 minus CQ, that is 5 comma 7 minus 5, that is 5 comma 2. Similarly S is equal to 5 comma 7 plus CQ. So on y-axis, parallel to y-axis means only y coordinate changes. This is 5 comma 7 plus 5, that is 5 comma 12 are the coordinates of S. Next problem, if 0